In this week's discussion, I'll be talking about hydraulic fracturing and why it is an environmental issue. Hydraulic fracturing is a technique that is drilled through a well down below the Earth's surface to extract the natural gases and oil we rely on. In this process, water, sand, and chemical are then injected into the well and are then blasted down below to create a natural flow of oil down the soil. But in this process, when it is taking place, as we can see in this picture, fracture happens. And when fracture happens, not only does it create a flow of oil, but the chemical that were injected, such as methanol, ethylene glycol, and propyl alcohol, are then mixed with the natural gas and oil and are then released to the surface as it breaks these types rock down. These chemicals then contaminate the soil, plant, and most importantly, our water, as water is our biggest resource to all. As water is the biggest resource to all living things. These chemicals are highly known to give human cancer, which is considered dangerous to us. Hydraulic fracturing relates to chemistry because osmosis occurs when these chemicals are released. As these chemicals are released, osmosis create a high concentration of fluid and chemical to the soil and to our water that are contaminated and can be very dangerous for all living things and everything around us, such as plant, trees, will all die basically because of the contamination of the water. But for more information on hydraulic fracturing, you can visit www.oilmanmagazine.com. I chose hydraulic fracturing as this topic for this week because it is unsafe to all living things and can be a big impact to our water resource, our air pollution, and our climate change, which is why I chose hydraulic fracturing for my topic this week.